Hey, what's up everyone, Exabyte here. So recently my cousin told my family and I that he needed a new computer, focused on video editing, photo editing and gaming. So I built him the most bang for buck PC money could buy. You ready? Let's go. All of the parts shown here came up to a total of 1,800 Australian dollars, which is around about 1,300 American dollars. The CPU I used in this build is the i7-9700, an absolute powerhouse of a CPU, easily handling intense workloads and multitasking. For this build I used 32 gigs of Corsair's Vengeance LPX RAM, running at 3200MHz. We used a 512 gig silicon power M2 drive with blazing fast speeds, clocking in at 3.4 GB per second read and 2.3 GB per second write. We also threw in a good old 2TB hard drive from Seagate to store all of his videos, photos, music and files. We used an Asus motherboard with the Z390 chipset to accommodate the i7-9700 and its requirements. I looked at the power consumption of each item and 600 watts was enough to power all of it. And finally, to top it all off, the RTX 2070, a super powerful graphics card that will handle anything thrown at it. 4K GPU accelerated video editing, photo editing and AAA title gaming. Unfortunately, when it came time to benchmark the PC, I forgot to install TimeSpire 3D Mark. This would have given a more realistic and accurate representation of this computer's real performance. So we'll have to make do with WebGL Aquarium, I guess. At 1080p with 500 fish, it gets a whopping 800 frames per second, and with the maximum 30,000 fish, it gets 50 to 60 frames per second. Thanks for watching guys. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like and consider subscribing. Also, don't forget to let me know in the comments if you want to see more videos like this in future.